Hello friends. So today we will learn how we can create the RT application for myRIO and how we can actually deploy that. And another thing that alright, so here you can see that we have one program which is already developed, and you can see myRIO is also connected now, and we have some network share variables. In next tutorials I will be discussing how we can develop such kind. The myRIO with USB, so we know that default IP for that is 172.22.11 and .2. So just press that, and here because you have to deploy the shared variables as well, so you can do one thing: go to shared variable and register the computer, and here you have to give this IP address of your machine, and here you are using myRIO actually. So then you right click that and deploy all. So because it was already installed there, so you just press OK and it's done. And now you have to select this and real-time application. You can give any name here, startup application, any name, and the path that you want to select, so that all the files for regarding application should go there. So for now I am trying to make it as simple as possible, so all the things will remain as it is. The only thing that you have to take care is this one, because you want to select this application which I have made is startup, and no need to these shared variables add here, because we have already deployed here. Then other things just make as default. You can uncheck it if you want, and just preview it and just build it. So this process takes few seconds. Right, so once it's done, this will be showing done. Okay, so it's done. Otherwise, if you can explore it to see where this all files they are saved, but I'm not going there. So done. And now what you will do, just click run as startup. So you want, using this you are doing two things. One, you are deploying that program on myRIO, but another thing you're doing is to make it as a startup application, that whenever you reboot it, this program will be burned, means stored into this myRIO. And okay, so it's asking for rebooting your device, so you press yes, and this process will take, I think, around 20 seconds. Okay, so now it's rebooting. All right, so this shows that your device is now connected, and that's it. So this is how you can burn your real-time application and make it start up.